This week, Cardano has been making headlines with a string of positive developments, from landmark ETF news to real-world adoption and bullish market signals. All signs point to a growing confidence in Cardano's future, so let's get into it. The SEC just approved Grayscale's digital large cap fund, the first multi-crypto exchange traded product, or ETP, in the US. And Cardano is part of it. This fund will trade on a major exchange and gives investors exposure to 5 top cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and Cardano. Including ADA in this first-of-its-kind ETP is a huge validation, and it's integrating Cardano into mainstream investment channels. Regulators are warming up to diversified crypto funds, which could unlock more institutional money for Cardano and other alts. This approval could open the floodgates for more crypto ETFs in the coming months. And Grayscale isn't stopping at a multi-asset fund. They are actively pushing for a Cardano-specific ETF as well. The SEC has delayed its decision to October 26, but the odds of approval are at 87%. And if approved, this would be one of the first pure altcoin ETFs in the US, a bullish sign that Cardano is gaining institutional traction. Cardano has historically been late to the bull run, but when it's time, Cardano usually rips. And it's starting to gain momentum with a steady delivery on its roadmap, better scalability, the Bitcoin DeFi integration, midnight, and institutional interest. I mean, the list is long. Traders are eyeing a breakout. A close above 95 cents could ignite the next leg up, potentially targeting $1.15 or even $1.25. In fact, Cardano is one of the best altcoin candidates to watch right now, as it gears up for a possible 25% surge to test the $1 level in the coming weeks. Well, accumulation and positive on-chain signals back this outlook, and even retail sentiment is improving. If ADA is pushing past the 97 cents resistance, that's where a cluster of sell orders sits. It could trigger one of Cardano's strongest rallies in months. Macro conditions are adding fuel to this optimism as well. Just this week, the US Federal Reserve delivered its first interest rate cut since 2022. A shift to easier monetary policy that tends to boost risk assets like crypto. The broader market mood is turning bullish as investors anticipate looser financial conditions going forward. An uptick in demand for crypto and even faster ETF approvals could be on the horizon. We're on the cusp of a full-scale altcoin season. Bitcoin capital is finally rotating into high-potential altcoins. And if you're looking for what's hot in crypto right now, ADA is checking all the boxes: institutional interest, expanding utility, and bullish market signals. And of course, crypto markets can be volatile, but the facts on the ground show Cardano is building lasting value. So keep an eye on ADA as we move into the final quarter of 2025. If these trends continue, Cardano could be poised for a breakout moment. And as always, combine the alpha with your own due diligence. And I hope I'll see you in my next video.